Hello.
I know you.
Hi, I remember you. We've talked before.
We have talked before, right, Melissa?
Yeah.
Okay.
I am good. How have you been?
I've been great.
Good. Busy.
Yes.
Public
Yeah.
speaking, right?
Yeah.
That's good. What else? You said you like public speaker. What else did you do? You had your own
I have my own
business, right?
business, digital marketing.
Okay. Yes.
Yes. And
Yes. Okay.
I'm also IT expert, information technology.
Yes, I remember now. I know you had something else besides the public speaking.
Yes.
That's good. So, what have you been up to since the last time that we've spoken or talked?
Yeah, I've been using Cambly every day, and I'm doing practices. And in between, I was sick, so for 4 or 5 days, so my practice was left, and I feel difference between my voices.
Oh, you had a cold?
Yes, fever and
Oh,
cold.
yeah.
Yes,
That's the worst. And then it takes forever to get back
yes,
to like voice and coughing and all that.
yeah,
Oh, that's the worst. Yeah, definitely understand. That's good though. At least you're better now, so you can go back to
yes.
doing all your things that you normally. So normally, like when you public speak, what is it that you public speak about? Like, do you like on your like business, or do you like a motivational speaker?
Yeah, it depends on the situation. See, first, my aim is to be a Toastmaster, to become a part of Toastmaster. Toastmaster is the international platform for the public speaker,
Okay.
and I've been trying to be a part of that. And I have joined a local group here, and every day we speak and practice. We have so many groups, and once you go on the stage, you can face many questions, or you can be given a topic or any debate session. Let's suppose you have to speak about something new, about the war between Ukraine and Russia. What could be the cause? What could be solution? How could you find this kind of topic you are given? You have to speak as an extempore, like without preparation. And
Yeah.
once you put your own opinion about you put your thoughts, people gonna ask many questions, and you have to reply those questions. So basically, we are being trained as a public speaker to face those kind of questions, those kind of session, so that in future, whenever we face these kind of problems and crowd, we will be not nervous and face those challenges and those questions with confident. This is all we have been doing the practices. I'm not such a big public speaker that you have so many crowds and you go on and speak and motivate people. Yes, I motivate, but I have a large number of people, not so many big crowd.
Have you like what happens? Have you ever like frozen and not been able to like answer a question, or
No,
maybe it was a
it never happened.
question?
Yeah, it used to happen when I was on the stage of learning, but now
Yeah.
it's been common for me. But when you did not prepare yourself, when you did not do practice, or read or listen or make yourself eligible to face those thing, then your mind goes blank. You'll be struggling with the words and proper vocabulary, especially when you did not prepare yourself. But when you're prepared, and when I'm prepared, so I can face any questions, I can give any answers.
That's really awesome. Not a lot. I know I could not do that. I'm such a shy person. I could never. Um, but that's really cool. It's like very admirable for people who actually can do that and
Yes.
are ready and able to answer any question, because I know some people probably aren't the nicest sometimes, I guess. So, but yeah. So how, like, what would you say takes up more of your time, I guess? Like like your business you have going on, or like the
Yeah,
public speaking?
see, my business depends on Google, okay? Because Google is the one who puts your website down sometimes when they do the
Mm-hmm.
updates. So, our business, how it works. See, when you search something, website development in USA, okay? So, my website shows up on the first, results or first page of the Google. So what happens every 3 months or 6 months of time, Google updates their algorithm, and once they do updates, the website, all the people's website which are ranking on the first page goes down automatically. Again, we have to push our websites every day. We have to work on this to make it go on top. Okay. So right now my website is down because of the Google updates. So that's why I have no business right now. But I have a business for the existing clients. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
new customers, it's a hardly, we can get more than 5 or 6 in a month, but that's gonna help us a lot to survive. Okay. So right now we have a situation, but once our website again goes on the level and we get so many calls, we deal with the clients. So right now the sort of thing is going on, like we are struggling with the new clients, but we already have so many existing clients that we have to work for. So this is the time I give a lot for my business. Second, the daytime which I have right now, I give for the public speaking.
How often does Google update like that to where it affects you?
Every 6 months or 3 months, we get an alert or email that they're gonna just do the updates, and it's a random. Sometimes they do the random things, and they affect on our business, a lot.
Yeah.
They make changes their policies, some terms and conditions, and they change a lot of things in their algorithm because they want to protect, the users. Especially they work for the users
Yeah.
privacy, and so that's why they have to do the updates, and we face those problems once they do the updates.
Wow. Like so many aspects of it, and you don't really think about that type of stuff. Like some people get bothered just by a Google update, and you don't even have
Yes.
anything going on.
Yeah.
But
Even all
yeah,
most
wow.
of the clients, once they have been paying as a recurring payment, and once their business is down, they also ask question to us, why I have been paying you a
Mm,
lot of money and my business, my website is down right now. We say it's not in our hand. It's the Google,
yeah.
done the updates, and that's why even our website got down. So they understand sort of things that. But anyway, we get business, and anyhow we have to survive.
I mean, at least I'm sure you know how to handle it, but I'm
Yes.
sure at times it
Yeah.
becomes very overwhelming.
Every day it's a kind of a headache for me, and it has been all old situation. It's not a new that we have to face. We have gone through so
Yeah,
many times, and we know how to come out of this, you know how to solve these
yeah,
problems. So we have been habitual.
that's true. But I guess you always have to be like one or two steps ahead, though.
Yes, yes,
Kind
yes.
of having to be alert for certain problems like
Yeah.
this because I don't know. I would crack under pressure. I would not be able to do it. I couldn't. Have you had anything else going on besides kind of like, well, I know you said you were sick for like a few days, but
Yes. No, nothing
you
is
really don't
special.
like
Everything is as
nothing?
usual. Yes. No, nothing new.
Do you travel a lot for your jobs?
No, my business
No?
doesn't need to travel. We just said we do online. Like you're sitting in US, right? In
Hmm.
where, Nevada, right?
Yeah.
I have so many clients from Nevada.
Oh, really?
Yes.
I'm sure from everywhere, right? Not
Yes,
just like all
everywhere.
over the
Yes.
world, I
Yep.
assume.
Yep. I have so many clients
Wow.
across US. Massachusetts, I have from US, Montana, Los Angeles, I have Nevada, New York, even Los Angeles, California, and South Carolina, North Carolina. I have two clients from there. South Dakota, perhaps. Yeah, I have.
Is it only like English based, I guess? Like, do you
Yes.
only base yourself in English
Yeah.
countries? Like, you don't.
No, I
Oh,
just work for the US and Canada as well, only two countries.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh, I thought it was like everywhere.
Yeah.
Like India too. I thought it was like every.
No, I don't work for the India because Indian people, they negotiate with the prices. If I say your website costs $200, they'll say no, it cannot be $200. I can pay $80. So
Oh, they bargain with you.
yes. And that's why I never have done any business with the Indian people. I have been doing business with the US. And I can say the US is the best, country to deal with the clients and do business with because you'll be rich.
Yeah. But like, have you done? God, have you done like any other countries, or you don't
No,
want to like
since
get in?
since beginning I have been doing business and the job also. I spent 5 years in job and the same. It was the same process. They used to do the business with the U.S. and Canada. I understood all the process and I started by my own. After 3 years of struggle, I just went on the top, and everything is smooth right now. I knew what are the inputs and outputs, the problems and how to grow my website, as well as I learned everything, step by step. Even if I don't understand this, I'm gonna learn this. So since then I've been also learning, because learning is the best thing which you can do to improve and grow yourself.
It's really cool. But like even for like your speaking, you don't travel like anywhere.
No,
You just stay in one spot.
yeah, and that's what I'm saying. If I be a part of the Toastmaster, that is the international platform, then it could be possible. Like I can travel from one place to other place to give a
Yeah.
speech. Yes,
But right now, with it just one specific place you're at, just
yes,
one.
yep. Yes,
Like,
that's the community center, you can say.
oh, okay.
Yes,
I
people
thought you
from
had to like go.
people from all the ages and all the groups, they come and they do practices and they ask questions. You're given topics and all, and you do discussion and debate session.
Are you the only one that does it, or you have other people with you?
We have so many people, they come all around and they participate, and every day they do discussion, but their aim is to just learn English and practice. My aim is something different, to be a public speaker, and that's what I'm doing it. Yes.
Okay, so that's really awesome though.
Right now I see you are gaining weight.
Gaining weight?
Yes.
No, I'm not. I'm the same.
Okay, I think so
I'm
because
trust me. No, you know what it is? More people tell me I pull my hair back and I look fatter.
yes,
Everyone says
yes,
that.
yes, yes,
Last
yes,
time it
yes.
was
Yeah.
down.
Okay.
No,
Okay,
I'm not.
Melissa, we are
Yay.
running out of time. Okay, so can you give me my feedback?
Yeah, I mean, every time I'm super impressed on your English, and all your responses are super spot on. So,
Okay.
yeah, always keep up the good work, and
All right, we'll
English
see
is
again.
good.
Okay. Thank you
Okay.
so much for
Bye.
joining
Have
me.
a good one.
You too.